Elevate your career path to Agile Mastery. Agile Mastery is the ability to effectively apply Agile principles, practices, and frameworks in your professional development journey. It entails adopting a growth mindset, embracing continuous improvement, and honing your skills in areas such as team collaboration, Scrum practices, and Agile leadership. Developing a growth mindset. This mindset involves believing that your abilities can be developed and improved over time through effort and perseverance. Setting goals for skill enhancement. To elevate your career path to Agile Mastery, it is essential to set clear and achievable goals for skill enhancement. Identify areas where you can improve, such as Agile practices, leadership skills, or strategic planning, and establish concrete objectives to work towards. Embracing Agile practices. Agile Mastery involves embracing Agile practices and methodologies in your work. This may include adopting Scrum practices, implementing Agile frameworks, or obtaining Agile certifications. Fostering Agile leadership skills. As you progress in your career, focus on honing your leadership abilities, such as effective communication, decision-making, and conflict resolution. Conclusion. In conclusion, elevating your career path to Agile Mastery is a journey of self-improvement, continuous learning, and personal development.